So friends, let me show you something special. So here, this is my jasmine plant, that is mogra. And wow, just see these flowers early in the morning. I mean, they bloom today and there are many more buds. मतलब और भी कलियां हैं वो बाद में खिलेंगे, but this first flower goes to this one. This goes to the Queen of Heaven and Earth and the entire universe. So this is dedicated to my Mama Mary. I mean, this is offered to my Mama Mary. Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures. So today, me and my friends, we are heading for a picnic.
Amazing!
So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I know no one might be interested in knowing what I'm wearing, but just like vlog ke liye everyone shows, so even I don't, I'll just show what I'm wearing. Shoot. This is always what happens, you know, whenever I want to wear my iWatch, it is always drained off. So leave it. But why do I need to wear a watch when I'm going for a picnic? Cute. Not really, right? Chadda. Chalo, see you. So friends, this is one travel, that is duffel bag, which I had purchased from D-Mart, not the Goa wala, but the Ratnagiri branch. And I'm really in love with this duffel bag. I mean, it looks very cute, yaar. Look, मैं इतना handsome दिखता हूँ. देख यार, है ना? चलो, so my Mandali is on their way to join me for the picnic in the car. In fact, I call them my headache. So my headache is on the way. So before they come, and I mean before they drop in my house, it's better I go out of the house. Otherwise, they're gonna wreck my brains. See you later. This is why I don't like to go for picnic, because यहाँ पे देखो, I mean वो पूरे ब्यूटिशियन का पूरा ब्यूटी पार्लर खोल दिया इसने किसी ने यहाँ पे आके.
हम जाने वाले थे 7 बजे 7:30 बजे. टाइम कितना हुआ है? 8:15 बज गए. पता नहीं कब हम पहुंचेंगे.
So here Kiran Didi is unpacking the snacks. So I had made some of this canopy, and normally everyone does is, you know, in the canopy stuffing they add in green peas, carrot and French beans and potatoes. But since I get breakouts with potatoes, everyone has to sacrifice eating potatoes. So here some of our Mandali members were waiting for us, so then they also joined us, and then we were heading towards Nandanvan, Spice Farm and amusement park, whatever you feel like saying, but it is Nandanvan, that is what I know. So after a long drive from Margaon to Kodar, finally we reached our destination and everyone alighted from their car, and then we headed towards the reception, and then we gave our details and our slot was booked, and then here they were, you know, putting the handband so that this is our ticket to enter. And here when we entered, they welcomed us with a shower of flower petals, but we were supposed to be like, you know, welcomed with some welcome drink as well, but maybe they forgot, or maybe they were out of stock, God knows. So then their management staff, they escorted towards the breakfast table. तुला काय कांदा खायचा आहे का? So since this is my 4th visit to Nandanvan, I knew about everything, but still, you know, the staff members were kind enough. They were briefing my Mandali members about each and everything, where, what, how, मतलब जो भी है, whatever is the services that they have over there.
Simek, what's the special for today?
This is patal bhaji, मतलब अपनी सूखी भाजी. What is save? Nylon, not nylon. Nylon, no? Some kind of save. म्हणजे कोकणी से पाव म्हणटाय ताका.
पाव म्हणटाय. स्टेपनी मोद्या कितें घुसपता.
So we had a tagda breakfast, and we had some photo sessions as well done over there. And then we were here parading towards the swimming pool area. So yeah, we were all walking towards the swimming pool, and then we all changed ourselves into the swimming costume and whatever we were supposed to wear. So we were anxiously waiting when we're gonna go and splash into the water. So स्विमिंग पूल में जाने से पहले एक सेल्फी वीडियो तो बनती है यार, एंड हैंडसम तो दिखता हूँ तो थोड़ा फ्लैक्स भी कर रहा था चौड़े में. So then we were all after this we settled with all our things, we kept them in one corner, and then ले धनाधन सब लोग जाके लोटपोट हो गए पानी में. And now here starts येड़े चाले, मतलब we are meant for that. Our Mandali members are meant for all this nonsense. I mean whatever we do मतलब बवाल मच जाता है. So we all enjoyed at the swimming pool section, and then we all headed towards the activity section because we wanted to go on this zip line, and we all did. All मतलब some of our Mandali members मतलब जिनके जिगर में दम है, मतलब वो मतलब खतरों के खिलाड़ी वाला फील लेने के लिए. And we were supposed to do it later, but then we thought about doing it earlier because then we would be stuffed with lunch later on. So we got this done first.
हमारे भाई लोग, फ्रेंड्स लोग, सब लोग अभी जिप लाइन के लिए रेडी हो रहे हैं. उसको बोलती हूँ मैं लेने आती हूँ. How the जोश, how the होश. क्लिप भी पकड़, उसको उसके पास ही रख, मैं करके आती हूँ. ए गणपति बाप्पा आवाज पड़ा बहुत नाका मका. डोंट वरी करो ना ला. अच्छे से ऐसे ही निकाल मेरा भी.
So finally we were done with our stunts, that is the activity, and then we came towards the buffet and we were served this roti, and I took rotis, and that day it was since a cheat meal. I had a lot of fried rice as well, fried rice, veg fried rice, and then there was salad, and then this is rice, plain steamed rice. Then there was this chicken shakuti. I mean there was a lot of proteins, I mean a lot of chicken. And to go with the steamed rice, there was this prawns curry and this dal. And now this is the veg fried rice. So they refilled it when I was there. And then this is some mango curry, and this is dry vegetable. And now this is apna kingfish fry, surmai rawa fry. And now this is some papadam and pickle, and then there is this potato pakoda and mirchi, and they had a sweet dish also. That was some rice kheer. Diana, how was the food? Nice, now both, right? Mission successful. Yes, I was fully tired and exhausted. And now this was in the evening, and at about 4:30 they gave us this Good Day biscuit, and this was chai, that is milk tea, or the other option what you could have is lemongrass tea. So that's all in today's vlog. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.